Hello, all my soil brothers and sisters out there. So I received a multitude of compliments as well as questions about the sunflowers in my backyard garden. And y'all know me, I am here about sharing the wealth of knowledge that I have acquired in these past few years being an urban farmer. So let's get into it because there's no gatekeeping here. So I am going to show you the exact seeds that I sowed to get those sunflowers in my backyard garden. Let's get into it. First and foremost is this right here. Get you the tall border mix. And of course, at this point, I feel like Burpee needs to pay me because I feature their seeds so often. But these seed packages come with a multitude of different types or breeds of sunflowers, because if you did not know, not all sunflowers were created equal. What I mean by that is they come in different shapes, sizes, and colors. So as you can see here, that's what's going on. So these are the most populous seed packets that I use in my backyard, but I also got some others to share with you. Right here, the evening mix. Now, red is my favorite color, can't you tell? All right, so I wanted that pop of red. So that's where these evening sun sunflower mixes come in at, as well as the name and the color. It just gives for me. The Velvet Queen. Now, if you're more focused on just having those tall sunflowers, then you definitely want to make sure you got this in the mix. I had a few mammoths back there, and yes, they grow, baby. They grow. These mammoths can get up to 12 feet tall. So make sure that you got the space for it. If you really pay close attention, I was real close to hitting some power lines, but thankfully, that didn't happen. And I am so excited about this new breed that I found that I'm trying this year. Ooh, the chocolate cherry, baby. But these are the sunflower seeds that I sowed in my backyard garden. So now you can sow them too, and you can have you a fabulous sunflower pack in your garden as well.